Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 6 Lite, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with a quicker way via secret code. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's scroll down to enter the status. And as you can see, the serial number is right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.